Hi, I'm Philaine Badoy Pabrua. I am a Christian educator. I believe that teaching is not just a profession, but ito ay calling ng puso. I used to teach choir and piano, helping young hearts and voices find their rhythm. At dito ko mas naunawaan ang kahalagahan ng musika at malasakit. I am also a registered nurse trained to care not just for symptoms, kundi pati alagaan ang nangangailangan ng tulong. For 5 years, I served as a school nurse taking care of students. Isang trabahong puno ng puso at tahimik na sakripisyo. I also became a franchise business owner and built my own pharmacy, combining my passion with wellness together with entrepreneurship. Dahil naniniwala akong pwedeng pagsabayin ang pag-unlad at pagtulong. At sa bawat yugto, lalong lumalalim ang panawagan sa aking puso. Now, this is my God-given mission. Ang tumindig para sa tulad mo na gustong bumalik ang lakas at sigla. Dahil karapat-lapat kang mabuhay ng buo, masaya at malakas. Let's start your journey together. Sama-sama nating buuin ang bagong ikaw.